And you're wearing that dress we picked out, right?
To be all packed up and out of there, and moving is such a pain in the tuchus. All the stuff that you have in your whole life in a box and stuck in the back of a truck.
Yeah, right.
There's a program in Madison, Wisconsin. It's a zoology program. It's
all of this hullabaloo. It's for you next year. Do you have any plans?
I'm going to pursue acting, actually. There's a school in Chicago that I'm looking at, or some cool options at Wichita State. Me and Star are going to go together, obviously. Or maybe we'll just skip school altogether and shoot our first feature.
Make a movie? I remember when you would make movies together all the time. And wasn't there another kid with you? What was his name? A fella.
Abe.
Yeah, Abe. Didn't he go to Chicago and go to film school?
He did, but he's back now.
Oh, great. Then the three of you can get together and make your little movies.
Mm-hmm.
It's the new station wagon I got with the sleek wooden exterior on the outside. It has the reverse seats in the back, nice if you want to see out the back, and we even got Mr. Bean shaking around on the dashboard. I mean,
I bet I know what your first movie's gonna be.
You do?
Your bird.
Aunt Jo, no.
Oh, come on. It's, let's see, what was it? The yellow hornbill titmouse?
The greater Midwestern white-crested yellow-billed turnfisher.
Yeah. What a great little bird. Oh, I always thought that would make such a great movie or a novel or a memoir, anything, you know? The Bird Girl, or the greatest sixth grader in Kansas discovers a bird and changes the world forever.
Aunt Jo, I'm not Bird Girl, okay? That was a long time ago, and I'm getting into acting now. I'm taking classes, and I'm writing a play about their placements.
But the bird was so cute. And when you were on the front page of the newspaper in your little hat, I mean, it was intensely good, and it could be so really intriguing because out at the data center they haven't seen the bird for years and years, and maybe it wasn't real, maybe it's gone extinct. I mean, it could be so dramatic.
It's not extinct, it's real. What? Is it me, Bird Girl? Talking about her dumb, extinct bird that nobody believes is real anyway? Oh, look! There it is! My bird!
Ta-da! Oh my God! I'm so sorry.
Come on, hey, Come on. Hey, hello. I think you missed a spot. Oh man, well, I can really say I got you there, dummy. Oh my goodness, you really took that kick really hard to the face though, dude. Oh my goodness. I can say in your face, because it was literally in your face. Oh man. Well, who could care so much about a bird anyways? It was worth missing out on Keiki the whale just to see you get so totally wrecked. Is that...
You ready?
Star, what are you doing here?
You know what I'm doing here? We're gonna go find your bird. Save the wetlands. Come on. Please, please.
This is not the Goonies. Okay, go back to bed.
How dare you? Come on, I'm not believing this. It's not my bird crap. I'm not buying it. Also, I have the sharing size of M&Ms down here, and you will not be getting any sleep if you close that window on me. Please.
It's not my bird, though, Star. And what are we gonna do? Nobody can find it anyway. Who could possibly care so much about a bird?
Hey, look at me. First of all, you sound like Dirk. Second of all, Goonies never say die.
Goonies never say die. Goonies never say die. Goonies never say die.
Yes! Thank you. Yes! that stick.
Abe? Abe? Abe?
See, I told you he was asleep. Or maybe he up and left for Chicago again, without telling anyone.
Star? Star? No, he's definitely here. Definitely awake. Here. Watch this.
Don't touch that! That is very sensitive equipment!
See, I told you he'd be here.
Hey, Star.
Hey.
Hey, Abe.
Okay, soldiers. We've got a mission to accomplish, and it comes right from the top. Corporal Abraham, your assistance is required at a search and rescue at the wildlife refuge.
Oh, shoot, for real? You're actually gonna find your bird? Again? Finally?
What do you mean, finally? And no, it's not my bird.
Jeez. Lighten up. You need him to drive the car.
Oh. Okay. I see. So you don't actually want me to come with you. You just need someone to drive. Real cool is, maybe just call next time, huh?
Just wait. If you come with us, you can have them.
But you don't mean...
Yes, come take the Pulitzer-winning photo of the Greater Midwestern white-crested yellow-billed tern for sure, and I'll bequeath unto you my unopened, mint condition, full steel case box set of the full series of the Neon Genesis Evangelion, the ADV original releases.
But
Whoa, that's too much.
Just shut up and drive the car.
She's right. Come on. Please. Come on. Yes.
man, it's an 85 in mostly good condition. I mean, it's got a reliable engine, it's got a manual transmission. Well, it does take a little while to get to 60. Once it does get to 60, it runs like a couch. And, what? What? No! Where's my... Hold this. What the heck happened to my car?
Hey, loser. Took your car to Quivira for science. I owe you. XOXO is. P.S. You suck. LOL. Get wrecked.
Okay. Alright, Ted, listen up. Okay, so... Alright, I will need you locked in for this, so... First, I need you to call the Wildlife Rescue Range Station and tell them that there are delinquents arriving on a stolen vehicle and that they will be there soon, so you need to be on the lookout. Then, I need you to text my mom and tell her that I am handling the situation and that everything is under control. Alright. Finally, in precisely 12 hours, if you have not heard back from me by then, I need you to alert the proper authorities. Alright, Devin. We have been friends for so long, I can't even remember how long it's been. But dude, you've always been my ride or die, okay? I love you, dude. Okay. I am counting on you, Tevin. It's all up to you, bro. Clear eyes. Full heart, can't lose.
I would love to see a pipping plover. Although actually I don't think we're gonna see any because they kind of live in like by a lake, and I don't know if we're gonna see any lakes. Ooh, I would really love to see a pallid sturgeon. Again, that's more of an aquatic animal, but conifers, those are pretty cool. Oh, Cyclogenia alberti are really cool.
Onward, losers. Let's get on the trail. Come on, Abe. What are you doing, Abe? What do you want to do? Wait in the car? Let's go. See, why can't you be more like Starter? Cute camping gear. She's never let me down. Never has and never will.
Geez, okay, let's go. Yeah, I know. You already said about the leaves. I'm just not feeling confident in your ability to retrace the path to this one tree, is what I'm saying.
I don't really need you to be confident in my ability. I just need you to take the perfect photo when we get there.
Well, when are we gonna get there, Is? You keep changing the story. First it's the lake, now it's some other lake. Must be north, must be south, must be west.
So you don't trust me? You don't trust me? Well, that's ironic.
What is that supposed to mean, Is? Maybe I don't trust you. You've been acting so weird this whole time. We used to be best friends, Is. What happened? Now you treat me like a...
We used to be best friends? Used to be? When did we stop? Was it when you left me here to go to Chicago? Is that when I stopped being your best friend? Or was it when you gave up and you came home and you never called me?
I didn't leave you, Is. I just left. And why didn't you call me, huh? When I was failing and crashing out of my dreams? Coming back to live in my parents' basement? I needed a friend. I needed you.
Guys, shut up.
Star. That's...
Stars, is
Yes. That is a puma concolor, also known as puma or mountain lion or panther or catamount.
Is.
Yeah.
You have your hairspray?
Yeah,
Give it to me right now.
absolutely not. I need it.
Is. I need you to trust me on this one. Give me the hairspray. Okay. On the count of 3, you two need to turn around and run as fast as you can.
No.
On the count of 3, you two need to turn around and run as fast as you can.
Abe?
I'm gonna be a few steps behind you. Don't worry.
Abe, no.
Abe?
1,
Abe, no. No.
2,
Abe?
Operator, or could you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with my best old ex-friend Ray. Gosh, she said she knew well and sometimes hated. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that and give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just could you help me place this call? 'Cause I can't read the number that you just gave me. There's something in my eyes, you know it happens every time. I think about the love that I thought would save me. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that and give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell him I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. Operator, oh, let's forget about this call. There's no one there I really wanted to talk to. Thank you for your time. Oh, you've been so much more than kind. You can keep the dime. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that and give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels.
Abe,
Ish, come on, seriously, it's not your fault. What, are you like the Puma Whisperer or something? We all did our best.
That thing could have killed you. But it didn't. Abe got to live out his MacGyver, Rambo, action hero fantasies. And everyone got away unscathed. Even the Puma.
I don't know if I'd say unscathed precisely.
And it's all gonna be worth it, right? We're gonna save the wetlands, find the yellow-crested, white-tailed Midwestern turnfisher.
It's the greater Midwestern yellow-tailed white-crested turnbill, right?
Ooh, insulin. It's so spooky. Is give me your leg. Just give it. Do you trust me? Yeah, of course. Star!
Oh my God, Star.
There's no needle. I promise. There's no needle. I wouldn't actually inject you. Even with your ultra durable bird girl flesh.
Guys, that was terrifying.
Yeah,
Yeah. I mean, kinda. But then, like, when I, like, lit it on fire, like, you should have seen his face. He was like, ah!
I know, Star, I love you too.
no, I'm not going to film school. I got accepted in this program at Madison, Wisconsin, and it's a zoology program, and it's really, really cool. And I'm moving there right after graduation to start summer classes.
Hey, that's awesome, Star. Seriously, like, congrats. It's not easy to figure out what you want to do. At least in my experience.
Yeah, Star, that's great. I'm gonna go on a walk.
Just give her time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, wake up, this is the tree. Wake up, hey, wake up. This is the tree.
This is it, Star. This is the tree. Get in there.
What? No, this is your bird. You have to climb that.
It's not even my bird, though. I didn't even find it in the first place.
What do you mean it's not your bird? You were in the papers and on the news and everything. You're a bird girl.
My mom's the one who found it. And she's the one who cared about this stuff. I just got so excited and swept up in the moment. You know how kids can be. You know how I can be. And I just wanted to do something. I just wanted to be something.
Well, who the hell cares this? Who cares? Don't you want to save it? Who cares if it's your bird or Bird Girl's bird or anybody's bird? Don't you want to stop those billionaire douchebags from building a data center out here? All right, Star, give me a hand. We're gonna boost you up there.
Oh yeah, get your butt in this tree.
Here we go.
Well now, I'm happy to see some young people take an interest in local wildlife, but afraid I'm going to have to ask you three to refrain from climbing in that particular specimen. You look like you've seen a ghost. It's okay. I'm Ranger Ron. I'm not going to bite you. So what are y'all doing here? Are you okay, miss? Looks like you got yourself caught in a tree.
We're just looking for a bird.
Uh-huh. You, hiked your way in here at dawn to check out the local wildlife?
No, actually we came in last night. And not just any bird. Izzy's bird. The greater Midwestern yellow.
Greater Midwestern white-crested yellow-billed turnfisher? Yeah, you know, most people don't think that bird exists anymore. They say the girl who found it may have made up the whole thing. It's amazing what they can do with AI these days.
Oh my God, Star.
Oh my God, Star!
Star, oh my God, what's wrong?
You okay, kid?
Go find your bird. You got this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some insulin.
You guys hang tight, I'm gonna radio it. All right, stop. Stop this nonsense. So not only are you guilty of trespassing and illegal camping, but you've also assaulted endangered wildlife. I found a burned out area of woods the size of a football field near the Puma Den. You guys are coming to the station with me. You're gonna have a lot of explaining to do.
Okay, sir. I hear you. But please just let me give her this insulin shot, okay? Come on, Star. Star.
No.
Come, Star.
No.
Star.
No.
Star. Star. Star, let me give you. Come on, come on, Star. Come on. Hey, hey. Sir? Mr. Ranger, sir? You got something.
Oh no. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. Oh.
Star! Wake up, Star! I use insulin on the Ranger. I don't know what to do. Star! What do I do?
Stop. Applesauce.
What?
The apples. Get the applesauce. Applesauce.
Applesauce!
The applesauce. Not the applesauce.
Applesauce! Applesauce! I can't get the cab! It's your nails! It's your nails!
I'm literally climbing a tree right now.
Catch it! Ah! Applesauce! Star, open up, little birdie. Come on, come on. Oh my God! I think I killed him! Ah! Oh my God! Ah! I killed the Ranger! I killed the Ranger! I killed him! Ah! Oh my God! He's dead again!
I got applesauce.
Why didn't you bring me anything to help the group? Okay. It's fine. I couldn't find anything else, so here's the update.
Okay.
kid believes they're the bird.
Come on, give her a break, Ace. She's never gonna live up to the real bird girl.
Thanks, Abe.
You know, she would have loved this if she were still with us.
Yeah. But she's in a better place.
Yeah. Madison, Wisconsin.
Yeah, Madison, Wisconsin. It's really cool.
Just